Hello. Welcome to my channel Shana Cosmetic. In this video, we will review the second quarter catalog of Oriflame Pakistan. A lot of discount offers, inclusive of dream deals, monthly quick pick, discount offer, and lot more. Are you a new viewer? If yes, and if you liked the video and found helpful, then do press the like button, comment in the comment box how you like it. Any suggestion to improve our channel to grow, and do subscribe for more videos uploaded time to time. And do press the bell icon so you won't miss upcoming videos with full of discount offers. Thanks for being with us, stay tuned. Let's start to review the new catalog products, the prices with discounts, and much more, which will be very beneficial for you all. This catalog's monthly quick pick for the month of May 2023 is Glow Essentials for all skin types, Essentials Whitening. Beautiful skin starts with the essentials. Essential face wash with vitamins E8 and B3, only in Rs 1,159 only in May 2023. How to use. 1. Place unopened tube in hot water for 1 minute. 2. Break open, massage to wet hair. 3. Leave for 1 minute and rinse as usual for shiny, healthy hair. This catalog's monthly quick pick for the month of June 2023 is Love Nature Hot Oil. Bring the moisture back. For dry hair. With organic wheat and coconut. Just only in Rs 569/dash. Feminelle, experience the ultimate in intimate care. Lactic acid and a periodic infusion promote natural defenses. Cleanses and protects from odor and discomfort. Lactic acid and prebiotic infused for microbiome pH balance. Protecting cranberry. Dermatologically/gynecologically tested. Gentle, soap-free intimate wash that cleanses and cares for your skin while protecting against odor and discomfort. Just in Rs 1,499 only. This dream deal is for April 2023. Spend Rs 2,000 in this catalog and get 1 unit at 20% off for the month of April 2023. Milk and Honey Gold for radiant, soft and silky hair. 1. Milk and Honey Gold Hair Mask. 2. Milk and Honey Gold Shampoo and 3. Milk and Honey Gold Conditioner. Spend Rs 2,000 in this catalog and get 1 unit at 20% off for the month of May 2023. Pure skin for only blemish-prone skin. Beautiful skin, no filter. Reduce the redness of blemish marks. Exfoliates to help leave skin soft and smooth. 1. Pure Skin Smoothing Face Scrub. 2. Pure Skin Clarifying Toning Solution. 3. Pure Skin SOS Blemish Gel. Spend Rs 2,000 in this catalog and get 1 unit at 20% off for the month of June 2023.